From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Tuesday, I'm Tyler Hughes with your Campus Weather Service forecast this morning. And let's start your Tuesday off with a look outside our weather window across the Commonwealth. Lots of clouds around in the capital city this morning. Same in Pittsburgh, although we're seeing a few peaks of sunshine. And we're also seeing lots of cloud cover in Erie and northwestern Pennsylvania, in Wilkes-Barre and northeastern Pennsylvania as well. So clouds have certainly been on the increase this morning. We're also seeing that here at Penn State at our University Park campus. If you take a live look over the Arboretum at Penn State right now, we're currently sitting at a temperature of 55 degrees with those mostly cloudy skies. And you can see some of the greenery in the Arboretum here. I've seen a few trees on campus starting to change, but looks like none yet in that camera shot. So across Pennsylvania, the good news is we're staying dry today, although we'll see clouds on the increase through the afternoon hours ahead of our next weather maker. That comes into play tomorrow and brings our 9-day dry stretch here in State College to an end with the chance for some isolated to scattered showers tomorrow in the midday hours. And the good news, though, is we're quieting down in the tropics. Not much tropical activity expected within the next week. We did have a tropical depression, Gordon, that was just named, but the good news is that's expected to move off to sea, and so no tropical impacts for the lower 48 expected over the next few days. Take a look on the radar satellite right now. You can see these clouds streaming in from the south, and when you zoom out, this is why right here, this tropical system didn't quite reach up to tropical depression status in order to get an official name, but came off the Atlantic coast here and will eventually move northward, bringing the chance for some showers to our area by this time tomorrow. Today, though, looking mostly dry, lots of clouds around as those clouds stream up from the south, right? Temperatures climbing into the low, even mid-70s in some places by later on this afternoon. In terms of tomorrow, here's what it's looking like on future weather. Notice tomorrow we're starting the day off in the upper 50s, close to 60 degrees. So it will be a much warmer and more humid evening than it was this past evening. And these showers are streaming up from the south, you can see in the morning hours and through the mid-morning into the afternoon. I do think north of I-80, you actually have a good shot of keeping the dry stretch through the day tomorrow. I think a lot of the moisture won't make it that far northward. And the best chance for rainfall, the biggest chance for rainfall is going to be south of Center County. We're talking Harrisburg area into the Laurel Highlands, into Johnstown. And that's where we could see some of the isolated downpours. As we head through the day tomorrow, notice these begin to fizzle out in the afternoon hours. And here in State College, I think we only have the chance for an isolated to scattered shower through the day, although it's enough to pack an umbrella if you're heading outside. Temperatures only climbing into the lower 70s tomorrow. So in terms of rainfall, this is just one model's interpretation. You can see the southern tier of Pennsylvania gets the most, on order of half an inch or even locally higher amounts. But here in State College, we struggle to even crack a 1/10 of an inch of rain. And across the northern tier, again, I do think many locations will stay dry tomorrow. It's much needed rainfall, especially in southwestern Pennsylvania, where some areas around the Pittsburgh metro are under a drought condition right now. And so we'll take any rain we can get, especially for some of those areas in southern Pennsylvania. Here at home, though, we stay dry today, a high of 75 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, and clouds will be on the increase throughout this evening as well, an overcast evening with a low of 59. That's a shame because we have the harvest full moon overnight tonight. Unfortunately, I don't think you'll get a chance to see it here in Pennsylvania. Tomorrow, a high of 73 degrees, mostly cloudy skies with those isolated showers possible. Could see a few peaks of sun here and there, but I think they'll be few and far between through the day. In terms of the temperatures past the 7-day forecast, the Climate Prediction Center says, hey, get ready for some above average temperatures, especially in western Pennsylvania, past that 7-day forecast. So expect temperatures to be remaining in the upper 70s, close to 80 degrees for some time as we head into middle and even late September. So here's the 7-day forecast. You can see once we kick those showers out tomorrow, we get into a lot of sunshine for the end of the week with temperatures close to the 80-degree mark. We have the Penn State-Kent State game at Beaver Stadium on Saturday. I think it'll be a great day for football, but you will need to pack that sunscreen. Temperatures climbing into the upper 70s and lots of sunshine around. Does look like we'll be cooling off for the beginning of next week, though. For Campus Weather Service, I'm Tyler Hughes. Have a great Tuesday.